In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make like YouTube thumbnail on your mobile phone. If you are like uploading videos from your mobile phone directly and you are using like Android mobile phone, then you can easily create thumbnail with amazing effects in your mobile as well. Now here you can see that we have installed Pixel Lab, and you can easily install Pixel Lab from like Google Play, and here that is the icon, and you have like all the features here, and you can already see that the popularity of that application, which is like 15 million plus download, and it has like 350 56k reviews, which is 4.5, and from that you are going to estimate that it is very nice application. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to open the Pixel Lab, and in Pixel Lab you have many options in three dots. From here, if you are going to click, you will get all the option here. Now since we are going to make thumbnail for our YouTube videos, therefore we are going to select like image size here, and when I'm going to select image size, you can see we have different preset like Photoshop, and we are going to open that preset, and you have square like profile picture, YouTube channel banner, but we are going to select like YouTube thumbnail, and you can also use like Facebook cover as well. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to select YouTube thumbnail, and it will automatically like adjust the size, and we are going to click OK. Now what I'm going to do next, we are going to click the three dots, and here we will again come like we have use image from camera or use image from gallery. I'm going to use a background image, and we are like going to select some image. I'm going to use pixel image, and we have like that image. I'm going to click that image. Now it will show which proportion you want, but it is like okay for me, and you can adjust that one, or you can just mirror opposite as well if you want, and you can vertically invert that, or you can cancel either, or you can just press OK. I will press OK. Now you can see the images here, and again I will come here, and we have a text, and the visibility of text is not available right now. We can work here. At the bottom you can see we have like yeah, a sign, and we are going to click that a sign, and therefore let me just once again change that one. Okay, and now what we are going to select a icon, and then we are going to change the color, etc., or everything. You can see there are different options, but for now I will change the size maybe a little bit. I'm going to increase and press OK, and color should be like orange. I will select orange, and okay, yellow, we are going to select yellow, and the font should be a little bit bold because we need that to be prominent, everyone can see. Now you can see now it is bold font, and here, okay, let me just are you sure you want to cancel the operation? Cancel. Okay, cancel. Okay, and now again we are going to like change the shadow, and we are going to give shadow, enable the shadow. Now you can see it is already giving a display, and it is very nice. I'm going to click press OK, and we can also make like different perspective, etc., or let me just add 3D text as well if we want, and you can see now it is 3D text version, and we can also increase the depth, etc., and you can see it will give like some simple variation as well. Now if I'm going to change, like see the perspective here, the depth, the color of depth, I have changed that to like black, and I'm going to press OK. Now what else I'm going to do, we can also like change once again the shadow. Now let me just increase the blur Now you can see we can change the blur and it is showing everything. Okay, now since that is fine, I will just change its text, like edit the text, and we are going to press OK, and you can see now it is displaying, and we can change that like thumbnail, and also I can decrease the size as well here. Make YouTube thumbnail on mobile. Okay, we are going to like change the edit version as well. Make, since we are also giving YouTube, and now make YouTube thumbnail on mobile, and I think it is giving more sense than how it is displaying, or how it is just giving a clear picture that we want. Okay, if I want to decrease a little bit, it is fine now. Okay, and finally, when you have done everything, you can also make different like changes as well. Here it has a very powerful application which has a different option. You can apply and play all of these, but for now I will just show you how you are going to like make a simple thumbnail. Now once you are ready to upload that thumbnail, then you are going to click on save, and here is, you have two options, like save as project or save as image, but I need image for my YouTube thumbnail, therefore we are going to press thumbnail, and everything is completely fine, like we have JPG, no transparency, and the image format is JPG, and quality that is also fine, everything is like fine, and we are going to save that to gallery. Okay, now I'm going to save that to gallery. We will come to our gallery in Pixel Lab, and you can see here we have an image like make YouTube thumbnail on mobile, and that is how you are going to make your thumbnail on mobile. I hope you got the idea that how you are going to make that YouTube thumbnail on your mobile, and if you have any question, just write that in comment box below, and if you have any problem which you want to discuss, you can also just write that in comment box below. But don't forget to subscribe my channel for more amazing videos. Thank you everyone. For now, goodbye.